Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the traditional model of strategic management, a structured and step-by-step approach. Job specification. Minimum acceptable qualification, i.e. knowledge, skills, abilities, experience and other characteristics needed to do a particular job. Person specification. Identifies the type of person needed to do a particular job. Following characteristics are assessed. Fraser's 5-point to assess pattern of personality. 1. Impact on other. 2. Motivation. 3. Acquired knowledge or qualification. 4. Innate ability, initiative, innovative. 5. Adjustment and emotional balance. Methods of job analysis. Logos, diaries, interviews, observations, questionnaires. HR managers write job description and specification for review by managers. Managers identify performance standards based on job analysis information. Forecasting demand and supply of manpower. Demand is estimated from. Supply is estimated from. Current workers' stocks and flow analysis. External labor market. A position survey compares demand and supply, grade, skills, location, etc. Closing the gap between demand and supply. HR plan. Along with subsidiary plans of HR plan is prepared on the basis of personnel requirements, productivity and cost. Meeting shortage of HR, less supply more demand. Internal promotions, transfers, redevelopment plan, and training plan, etc. Reducing labor turnover, retention plan, overtime, productivity plan, external recruitment plan. Meeting surplus of HR, less demand more supply. Restricting recruitment, part-time working, redundancy plan. Recruitment, a part of HR plan. Definition. Recruitment is the process of generating a pool of qualified applicants for organization's job. Strategic recruitment decisions. 1. Organization-based versus outsourcing. 2. Regular versus contractual versus leased. 3. Internal versus external recruitment. 4. EEO and diversity issues. Systematic approach to recruitment and selection. HR planning. Job analysis. Identification whether employee is to be recruited from outside or promoted inside. From HR plan. Systematic approach to recruitment and selection. Evaluation and use of sources of recruitment. Selection. Notification of result. Induction training. Sources of recruitment. Internal search. 1. Organizational database, HRIS, to sort employee data according to job requirement. Competencies. Capacity of a person that leads to behavior that meets the job demands. Intellectual competence, strategic, judgment, planning, interpersonal competence, managing staff, adaptability, flexibility with change, results. 2. Employee referrals. 3. Promotion and transfers. Advantages. Good employee relations. Encourages ambitious individuals. Less costly. No adjustment or orientation time required, because already familiar. I. Individual with organization and policies. E. Organization with individual. Disadvantages. No new blood, no innovation and new perspectives. Political fight for promotion. Morale problems of those not promoted. Diversity lacking. External search. 1. Advertisement. Method depends on organization and nature of job, newspaper, TV, net. 2. Agencies and professional organization. 3. Blind box ads. External search. 4. Schools, colleges and universities. 5. Unsolicited applications. 6. Creative recruitment methods. Banners. Announcing prizes for. Referee. Applicants. What must be included in job advertisement? 1. Information about organization. Primary business. EEO employer. 2. Information about job and application process. Title and responsibility. Job location. Starting pay range. Contact address. Closing date for application. Desired qualification of candidate. Experience. 3. 5 characteristics needed. Internet search. Employer website. Professional career websites. Advantages. Cost saving. Time saving. Global in nature. Disadvantages. Non-serious application. Difficult to process large number of application. Not accessible to all. Steps in selection process. Definition. The process of choosing individuals who have needed qualification to fill job in an organization. Purpose of selection. Filling a right person to the job, ensuring person fits job, matching people with job characteristics, person fits organization, objectives, culture, values etc. of organization. Steps in selection process. Initial screening. Complete application, on specific form, employment tests. Comprehensive interview, keeping in mind job description and job specification, background information, depends on nature and sensitivity of job, medical examination. Why and what tests are conducted? Cognitive ability tests, thinking, memory, reasoning, mathematical abilities, communication abilities, physical ability tests, writing analysis, performance simulation test, requiring to perform actually a small segment of the job. Advantages of interview. Cognitive ability tests, thinking, memory, reasoning, mathematical abilities, communication abilities, physical ability tests, writing analysis, performance simulation test, requiring to perform actually a small segment of the job. Fail to provide accurate prediction, error of judgment, halo and horns effect, based upon single attribute, stereotyping candidates on the basis of dress, hairstyle, accent, etc. Discrimination in selection is justified only if required by law. Induction training. Identify area for later learning or training, e.g. detailed technical knowledge. Explain nature of job and goal of each task. Explain working hours. Explain structure of organization hierarchy and his position. Introduce with people in office. Plan and implement training program. Appraise after 3, 6 or 12 months.